case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
After a challenging journey through the lower courts, the case of Obergefell v. Hodges made its way to the Supreme Court in 2015. At the heart of this case was the foundational principle of equal justice under the law, and the question of whether this principle extends to the right to marry for same-sex couples. For James Obergefell, whose longtime partner John Arthur had tragically passed away, the case was a personal crusade not only for recognition of their union, but for the rights of same-sex couples nationwide. The battle began in Michigan, a state where adoption laws were tailored to favor strictly opposite-sex couples or single individuals. These laws created a significant hurdle for same-sex couples seeking to foster or adopt, spurring Obergefell and others, including individuals with deceased same-sex partners, to challenge their constitutionality. They claimed their 14th Amendment rights were being violated, and initially the district courts agreed. However, in a startling turn of events, the Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit overturned these rulings. The stage was set for a showdown in the highest court of the land. The Supreme Court, once the final appeal had been lodged, was tasked with deciding two defining questions. Firstly, are states constitutionally obliged to license same-sex marriages? Secondly, must states recognize same-sex marriages performed legally in another state? In a landmark decision, the court, underpinned by the Due Process and Equal Protection Clauses of the 14th Amendment, ruled that denying same-sex couples the right to marry was indeed unconstitutional. Furthermore, it declared the anti-inclusion adoption policies in Michigan discriminatory and therefore unconstitutional. The decision cemented the right for same-sex couples to marry and have their marriages recognized, hinging not on the sex of the partners but the mutual love, loyalty, and intimacy that are the hallmarks of any marriage. This historic decision marked a significant shift in the traditional understanding of marriage and its link to procreation, a shift that reflected the changing attitudes in society. It underscored the principle that constitutional rights apply to all individuals, regardless of their sexual orientation, and confirmed that even the definition of marriage falls within the province of these rights. It was a watershed moment for human rights and equality in America, and its implications resonated across the nation, regardless of personal views on same-sex marriage.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.